I feel sad. I feel blue. My mistake. My bad. I'll pay the bill. It's on me. I made a mistake. I screwed up. I understand you. I feel you. I have no money. I'm broke. I like you. I'm into you. I'm very tired. I'm beat. Text me. Hit me up. Fish. I caught a fish yesterday. Fish. I caught 5 fish last week. Fishes. The fishes in the pond are colorful. Cancel. Call off.
Call it off. Call what off?
Call it off, ma'am. Call it off, okay?
Postpone. Put off.
I keep putting it off and putting it off.
Mom, why put it off?
Refuse. Turn down.
They turned me down.
What?
Yes, they all turn me down.
Tolerate. Put up with.
You put up with anything.
I put up with everything.
Relax. Chill out.
Chill out.
Chill out.
Quit. Give up.
Don't give up.
Don't give up.
Die. Pass away.
Oh, she passed away.
Oh, sorry. She passed away recently.
Make a mistake. Mess up.
I messed up.
I messed up.
Friend. Mate.
Hello, mate.
You can't protect your mate.
Hungry. Peckish.
I'm feeling a little peckish.
I'm that peckish, though.
Tired. Knackered.
I'm knackered.
I'm positively knackered.
A man. Bloke.
You're that bloke.
Basically, you know, you're a bloke, I'm a bloke. We're both bloody good blokes.
Pound. Quid.
10,000 quid.
5 quid.